Mm. Welcome to another stream. It's currently the 18th of December 2024. It's 11:14 p.m. Finish it later. I feel nice. Alright, cool. Alright, cool. Um, Top down. We'll start from there. Yo, mind you, I just came back from my brethren's yard and so yeah, I am kind of tired still, but I'll be real. I trade all sessions. I don't see why not. Like, I don't see why stick only to New York no more at this point. After seeing what I've seen just from experience now, I own all my time. I'm trading on sessions. Fuck you talking about? Fuck are you talking about? I'm not I'm not giving my time away for no man. No man. What are you talking about? Clock in. Huh? You wanna get to the point where it's a job to you, bro. This whole trading thing. You think I like doing this shit? Fuck no. This is a mental battle, bro. You think I like doing this? What? You think no? Fuck no. Yo, if it was for me, I wish I could go back and just, I was producing before this and that's how I was chopping. But that was a hobby to me. I like to produce. I like sharing moments with people and creating music. It was a fruitful way of like earning a living. You know. I liked it, but their payment was slow. You feel me? You know how producers get dragged. Like their payments are slow. Like, but one time it took me what 6 months, maybe like 6 to 3 years to get paid for beats. Like as a producer, that's pretty much the timeline. I mean, I expected it anyway. Like that's really like that's the upfront money. That's the license fee I'm talking. It's the license fee I'm talking about. Royalties, yeah, that comes at like 10 years later, bro. Unless you got a hit record like in the billboards. If you're not on billboards, then yeah, just check in 10 years later, bro. But of course, that's just more of a longer term aspect because I still do that approach. I just don't do it the whole like I don't. Let's say I moved away from the digital with it, but how I remain in the digital world is through trading because it's way more efficient. If you've been in my like it's like I started a private story where I'm basically showing you my daily routine essentially, and that's what I, if you type in, you literally see like the progression. I'm gonna show you guys what I am seeing, bro. Literally, just know that I've been putting in for 1 year. I've been studying just the way the market moves in it, and I've been building my own system around it. And I want you to know, like, I want you to see, I want you to see what I've seen. Trust me, it's insightful, bro. It's insightful. I'm just gonna record every session, bro. Can't lie. And you know, I'm not perfect, bro. I know what I'm seeing. I know the system that I know the principles that I trade is there, but I'm not that disciplined in it. But even though I'm not that disciplined with it, I still can and each and every single day profit if I just follow through on what I said I will do. That's it. So I know the times where I make a mistake, I know it's not the system. I know it's not the principle in which I depend on to make a decision. I know it's me. I was at fault. And I just noticed it within what, 5, 10 seconds. Oh, I lost a trade. Wait, why did I lose that trade? Oh yeah, cool. Say no more. I bought at the top of the range. Shouldn't have done that. That's outside of my rules. I basically just went in the wilderness there. Of course I lost that trade. Just tendencies of my own behavior and how the market moves. I'm able to mitigate that, learn from my lesson, and not make that mistake again. And the opportunity will come right after. Because if you're not able to just, I'm talking about 5, 10 seconds, 15 seconds, you know. If you're not able to literally have that awareness to the point where you can just notice it straight away and then get rid of that mindset and just adopt a new way of thinking so you can actually just pattern shit in the real life rather than just being up in your head. Let's say 5, 10, 15 seconds, 15 seconds, let's say. And then you got to make a decision at the end of those 15 seconds, right? Oh, boy. Ooh. You saw me chug this, right? Yeah, man. It's a powerful use of the mind. You'll see the results because right now I'm just chatting shit. Right now I'm just glazing at this point. I'm like, bro, this is trading, bro. Bro, see what I'm seeing. Jeez, like all my days, like I'm just bare gas right now. But you man don't give a fuck, innit? You just wanna see me make money, innit? That's all it really is, bro. You feel me? We just here to make money. I'm not here to show you something amazing. I'm here to show you something that you can depend on to earn an income. Practical way of earning. It could just be, yeah, an income. It's just an income, a side income. If you just train your eye to see what I'm seeing. I'm gonna be speaking about a certain principle, plural principles, you know, that you should align to in order to see what I see from the market's objective, not from mine, but just from the way the market is moving. The market moves in a sequence. I'm going to guide you through. I'm going to guide you to see the sequence from start to end and then from end to start so that you get yourself out of the loophole. Because when you, trust me, when you see it from start to end, you'll get lost. You'll be like, oh shit, I see that there, 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 I see that, I see that. And then you just be on a, like, imagine going on a killing spree. You know the buzz you get from that. But in reality, it burns you out and it is not sustainable. So yeah, you're gonna have to adjust the way you have to adjust your approach from end to start. Now you know the entire market, but I'm gonna guide you through that. So what do we have here, bro? We have 4 hour chart. You see these block candles here that just be building that structure here, like that. That's the 4 hour chart. You see these squiggly lines here, bro. Like in between the blocks here. Boom. Yeah, they're just like that's the 15 minute that you see here. So I'm focusing right now, Matt. Okay, cool. So right now I'm focusing on the structural high that we closed out of. Let's see. Yeah, let's go. Let's get basic right now. So you guys know what I'm saying in the future. So this is a structural high. Why is this a structural high? Because where was it? Did it go up? Did it go further? It did. So up candle. This is a structural high because we closed below the last up candle, right? And then saw a close out of it. What was responsible for this close out? This candle here, this block candle, that 4-hour candle here. We see a closure below the low responsible for closing out, and it's also the last up candle from, of course, this time, right? And then we had the closure out, creating another what? A structural high, creating another structural high, and you see how this can kind of repeat itself. Let's say, was this a structural high? Yes, it was. You saw the closure where below the last up candle, all right? And this is just markings from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. All right, cool. So what I'm looking at right now to get to the point is this is a structural low on a higher time frame, probably on the daily or some shit. I know Nasdaq has been rising, but we don't need we don't need all that data, bro. We don't need all that data. Let's see. This was a structural low on the lower time frame. But this is the higher time frame. So a lower time frame than this one here. So this one is more significant. But I just pointed it out. That's what happened. You feel me? I'm just gonna point it out. But we make decisions based on higher time frame. So we pick that one there, and then we got the structural high that we created here, and we see that we've started a downtrend. Market's been dumping yesterday, so I mean, it's the same day still, but the previous trading day. Let's go down. This is Asia session, by the way. It's the slowest volatility. I'm just going through the basics with you, man. Alright, cool. What do I see? I see. Okay, let's not rush into things. But let's get intricate here. You feel me? Let me just show you what happened for the past few days, and our marking started from here. So let's show you what happened. We see this last up candle here. Saw closure below it. That was around what, 7 o'clock. When was this? That's the 18th. This must be on the 17th. 17th now, 16th. Yeah, the 16th. Fuck no. So, oh no, it was the 17th. No, it was the 16th. Cool. So on the 16th, we saw a closure below a structural low on the 5-minute. So I'll move back into the range. What range? The range between this high, this low and this high. We tapped into 50% of it, mitigated it, and moved out. We see multiple mitigations here. You see 1, 2, 3 taps of this zone. Now, usually, if you see an area that's been mitigated multiple times, usually a move that you can participate in will come after that if we see a liquidation. And a liquidation is just, liquidating orders above here if the market moves into this point. So that's why I have this noted here. That's on a higher time frame, but that don't seem like it's happening anytime soon. It's all the way here. But I save those areas for later. I keep them there because that's money to be made there. Um, Aside from that, you see a closure below the structural low. You see the structural low happened here, closure above. You see this high. Follow the cursor, by the way. But you see this low at 7-1. You start. That was the closure responsible. The low responsible for that closure up there, and then we move down, create a structural high. What's that? Structural high at 25. So the structural high at 25. Structural high at 25. Cool. So this is it's part of the hidden S&D. So this is not the hidden S&D, but this is the hidden S&D. This zone back here, not this one here. Let me remove that. I'll remove that. So I need to see a high. I need to see a move up above this high in order to distribute back into the range. That's how I'll manage from there. And boom, boom, boom. What about this? What about this? Is this even worth it? Yeah. Okay, cool. We can work with this. And I'll save that for later and keep that zone present. Let's go into the lower time frames. I'm gonna, what's this? 15 minute now. Wait, 5 minute? Oh no, my bad. Oh, okay, cool. This is the hourly. This is the hourly chart. What was I talking about? Yeah, this is the 4 hour. This is the 4 hour time frame. If you look below here, it says 4 hour to 15 minute, 1 hour to 5 minute, 15 minute to 1 minute, eventually 5 minute to 15 second. I can't lie, that's my bad. I don't even pay attention to time frames like that. I'll be real at this point. It's just certain closures are more, I've been through a lot of time frames to basically sync the sequence of the markets in a way that works. So at this point, I see the move. I don't see the blocks no more. I see the volatility. I feel the volatility now. This shit is just anyway. It's just a projection, but I literally feel it. But it's a matter. Let's go to the 15. We're trending down, as you can see. We've got bare candles down, bro. This is since when, bro? This is like 2 p.m. yesterday. Fuck, bro. What the fuck happened? That's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What the fuck? Yo, wait, from this low here. This is, bro. Do you know how much that is, bro? Okay, wait, 900 points. How much is 900 points? Fuck, wait. Let's say 9 points. 10 points would be about $200 with one contract. Fuck it, let's just round it to 1,000. So 10 points is 200. 20K. That's a 20K move. Oh, fuck. Probably like around, let's say 15K. Well, fuck it. That's still fuck. Yo, what happened, bro? Shit. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. See, this is the shit that interests me because usually when you see a move like this, the media says something else. For real, like, it's crazy. But 15K move. But that ain't nothing though. Like compared to this, hold on. Compared to I don't want to introduce that to you guys here because it's really not needed. But yo, in your own time, download TradingView, go on Nasdaq and see for yourself. Go on a daily time frame, a weekly time frame. Of course, I'm not trading that. I don't give a fuck about that. But if you were to just analyze it, you'd see that Nasdaq has been trending up, up. So don't when you see this, don't be. It looks drastic. I know. drastic, like just straight down. But nah, man, don't worry. Nasdaq is good. Um, boom, 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 boom. Structural high. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, look, this is a hidden S&D here. That's a hidden S&D. See the liquidation of it. If you want a lower time frames, I'll show you. You probably see a reversal from boom, 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 boom. From here. If you haven't passed it already. Yeah, okay. We're close. Yeah, yeah, yeah. We're close. We're close. We're close. Yeah, yeah. That's it. That's it. From here. I'm looking for a move like this. We have 1, 2. That's 1, 2, 3. If we're gonna anticipate a move, right? So I essentially counter trade from hidden S&Ds. That's what I do. Yeah. So if I'm gonna consider distributing back into the range, how I'm gonna handle that is, yo, I'm gonna wait for the liquidation of 3 pullbacks. Yeah. So these pullbacks here, as you can see, they broke a high, but it's a pullback into what? Into this range here. And to this range. This area here. We're moving back into it. Mm, um, as for the lower time frame, 2, 3, 4, 5. If we can get that, which we did. Oh, if we can get that, we could be in for a move. Could be in for a move. Oh, nah, never mind. So we've been mitigating this area multiple times, and we have a zone below it. If you want to be more specific, do you want to be more specific? Nah, fuck that. I'll just wait for this move to be like I said, just keep it simple. Keep it fucking simple. Like I know, hey, I'll just show it to you guys. I don't want to act like I'm gatekeeping or some shit. But boom, boom, the second pullback. The second, bro. Yeah, Ninja Trader is clunky at times, bro. So the second pullback is boom, closure, boom. But it was not on the same time frame. So this is the hidden S&D right here. That's the hidden S&D. We know that we have uh, this unmitigated zone on the higher time frame that we're tapping into now. I just need to manage my expectations now because what am I doing? I'm counter trading the current trend. What am I doing? I'm counter trading the current trend. But look, I'm also looking at the pullbacks. That's 1 liquidated, 2 liquidated, 3, 4. So I need at least 3 before counter trading the liquidation of the hidden S&D. I know this high time frame one isn't liquidated, but this one is. That's a part of my rules. It's just a second flip. That's all. Here. It's the second flip. That's all. The hidden S&D is just the second flip. That's how I see it anyway. Always a second flip. You may see a third or fourth within a range, but it's always the second flip. Always. It's the second flip. So for, like here, right here. We saw that closure, boom. This is it right here. Oops. My decision starts here. If I'm gonna sell, it's up here. It's the second flip. Just have to flip down here. Right now I'm waiting for a closure above. So I'm looking to accumulate into this range. What range? This range. Depends what range we close. This range here. But as we start to get closures below, yeah, cool. Yeah, I got a lot of stuff on my chart in it. But as we get to lower prices, we're tapping into the 50% of here. Let me get rid of all of this. Let me make this clear because this is why I normally do not. I'm just trying to explain everything here. I usually do not be drawing all this shit. So this is essentially the plan. So that's the context. We'll get rid of this. That's our target. And this is a zone we're mitigating. So this is a demand zone responsible for sending price up. We've been tapping it, mitigating it, but moving up at the same time. So now we're mitigating deeper levels. So price could just, we'll see. I won't say price could just, we'll just focus on what price is doing. You don't need to be, I don't need to be forming an opinion. Yeah, we'll just, the only thing that we should care about is closures. That's it. That's what I want to make this video about. I want to show you what the market is doing. And how you can exploit what you see for your own gain. Exploit it, but first you have to explore it. You gotta go through it. And the moves that you see, the opportunities that you see that are just there right for the take, and I'm like, oh, what? I know the market's gonna do this. I know it when I see it. What? I'm clicking the button, bro. What are you talking? What? Clicking it, managing that position. Fuck is you talking about, bro? See a quick 5-10 point move, just shoot up. Are you done? What? Scoop that stop loss up there, bro, and profit as well. What's a break even? I don't know what you're talking about, bro. When it comes to managing your position, you don't do anything until you see the first. You gotta follow through on that first pullback you see. That's what you do. Follow through on that first pullback you see. I may be talking way loud, innit? Fuck it, I don't care. Oh shit, I wanna move way back. Follow through on that first pullback and see that second flip. See the second hidden S&D. If you don't see that, then you're in the wrong position. Simply because if you don't see that second, the creation of the hidden S&D, then then that means price is going the other way. Where? To your stop loss, bro. So you need to get with the flow. Huh? Get with the flow. Now you see a flip here. Right above this last down candle, right? And I'm going to explain to you how when we close below a higher time frame low, actually, fuck that. Not in this case. I was gonna mention a rule, but it doesn't apply. But I want to see. Oh my days. Alright, cool. I need to see a move above 6 9. Let's go on this one. Boom. Put my stop. I'll manage it on the 15. Where's my target? I'll just target here. But where's the chart trader? Why is there no chart trader? But I said to you guys that this is the plan, right? To move back into the range. It's just that it happened. I told you guys earlier than when the market wanted to, but we waited patiently, right? I'm just waiting for a. Where did I enter? So here. Waiting for that. I don't expect much from this move though, but I am going to manage. Behind what? You see that first pullback? I told you guys to wait, to follow through on that first pullback, right? And then you manage that up. I'm paying attention to the 15-second candle. Let me just click on it. See, look at that. 5, 10, 11. What are you talking about? Shoot straight up. Straight up. I'm telling you, if you just see what I'm seeing, bro. What did I say? If it doesn't create that second flip, then you're in the wrong position, bro. Okay, cool. I feel like taking profit. I'm awake. That's a 5-point move. Alright, cool. I was talking too much in it, but hey, profit's a profit, bro. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? What are you talking about? Like, come on, bro. It's about managing the move. You won't always get the one-to-one. You see this? This is what I'm expecting, but you have to manage the move. Like I said, I could feel it. I could feel it. See, at this point, you see, I can't lie. You have to go through it, man. You see, you have to execute because they said the market, like the primal like emotions that you feel is fear and greed. Of course, taking as many, but I've taken hundreds, thousands, hundreds of thousands executions, bro. So I know how it feels. And when I say manage, I mean you guys saw it was a 5 to 10 point move, and that's in Asia. Oh, that's in Asia, bro. Anyway, that's $83 in how long? This is where. Ooh, no, I'm not chasing that. Um, I'm not chasing that. I'm not chasing that. I'm not chasing that. See, you see how I gotta remind myself I'm not chasing that. I'm not chasing that. I'm not chasing that. Because trust me, there's so many times where I've lost. You see, so right now, price is captivating my attention with what it's doing, but this is the type of shit that will happen. You feel me? Don't get in that. Unless what? We get a closure above this high. But the thing is, we haven't got a closure above this high yet. It's a failure. You feel? Look, check it. So this low is weak, and if this low is weak, that means this high don't mean shit, and this low don't mean shit. It's not responsible for nothing unless we get a closure above here. Why? If we get that second closure above, then we're more than likely able to get back up into this previous range. I say more than likely, but that's literally us following the current trend, the momentum. Because, bro, the positions that we're entering in is we're initiating trends, bro. We're initiating trends. We're engaging in that push back in. I wish I could show you more, but bro, I'm trying to sleep in it. I wish I could show you more. So safe, bro. Safe. This was just a demo. This is just an intro. You feel me? But bro, that's someone's that's in a day. Like, oh, the market, oh, bro. I was gonna say it was the 19th, right? And I've already made someone's daily salary, but it's still the 18th and the market just opened. But I'm going to sleep. This was just a demo trade, you know, Asia session, just to refine the skill. I want to show you guys to see. I want you guys to see what I see because this is something that you can depend on, bro. I don't want to get all motivational and shit, but I just want to drive a point home. This is power, bro. If you see what I see, you've got power, bro. You control and own everything. Everything. Can't no one tell you shit. Can't no one. If you're able to see what I see. Safe, bro.